Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about the UI UX design trends for 2019. Now, for the most part, I don't think that much has changed compared to 2018. However, we must remember that the basics are always going to be the same for UX and also for UI design to certain degrees. The reason being is that UX design is all about problem solving and establishing the goals, establishing the problems, and really finding out the ideal solution for a user. And when it comes to those dynamics, the basics are always going to be pretty much untapped and will remain the same. And although there might be some changes when it comes to UX patterns and new things coming, I think that the base is always going to be the same. That being said, let's jump into the trends of 2019, which I'm personally seeing. So the first trend is I'm seeing many designers switching from softwares like Sketch and Adobe XD to Figma. Now, I myself, I've been one of those designers, and the reason being is that as I work 100% remotely with clients from all around the world and with different backgrounds, I found some of the features in Figma really helpful, and the ability to collaborate together with clients on some projects is really helpful. And an example of this is just having the opportunity of letting the client change the text themselves or even exporting some of the things, some of the assets in the design projects, letting their developers do that instead of me doing it. It's something which really saves time and makes the process easier. Now, another cool thing about Figma is that I'm able to do shared screen calls in which I don't even have to do the shared screen anymore, because I can simply send the client a link to the Figma document, they can hop onto it, they can click on my profile on Figma, and they can see live what I'm seeing. You can draw and do brainstorming sessions together, just like we were, as if we were in the office. And this is something which is really powerful, and I'm seeing a lot of designers that are switching to Figma. The second trend, which I wouldn't really say it's a trend, because it's been a software that's been around for a long time. It's designers are using more and more Webflow. And Webflow, if you don't know what it is, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, but basically it's an amazing tool for designers to develop websites without the need of external developers. And it really enables you to bring the designs to life in a fast and efficient way. And Webflow, it's also it's not really that expensive for what it is. Actually, the entry-level price is very low in my opinion, and it allows you to do countless and so many things, which really is cool. And in the past, before Webflow, you have to ask for a developer to do all of those things, and it will be taking days or weeks. And in Webflow, it's just very easy. So definitely check out Webflow. Again, I'm leaving a link in the description if you're not familiar with it. And another thing which I'm seeing that's staying there in 2019 is the Google Material Design UIs and the style guide in general. I think that Google is doing an amazing job when it comes to UI UX, and I'm seeing their style guides and even like they're being used a lot by designers, and even the clients always reference to the Google Material Design library, simply because it's very strong. The UI animations are amazing, and I'm receiving a lot of requests of design and UI UXs which work well according to the Google Material standards. So this is pretty much it. Again, guys, like, there can be some trends, there can be some differences in UI design, although for the most part I'm seeing that flat design is staying they're pretty stable rate in all the past years, and although there might be some differences or some new styles which come in, such as 3D flat UI design, which kind of is a countersense, but it really isn't. the core of UI UX design always remains the same. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to click the thumbs up button below, and also subscribe and activate the bell notification. And I'm curious to hear your thoughts on what are the new UI UX design trends, and what are your thoughts regarding this specific topic. So leave a comment below, and leave that thumbs up if you like the video. Both of these things really motivate me to create more videos and more content for the channel, and I'm really looking forward to produce much more this year and regularly. And yeah, this is pretty much it. If you want to stay in touch with me on a daily basis, I'm also on Instagram stories, and again, you can see the link in the description to find out my Instagram profile. And this is pretty much it for this video, so I'll wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next video.